Hi friends, I hope you are well. So in this video I'm going to talk about cloud tele functionality on Microsoft Azure. So in this video I will try to explain you how we can deploy the cloud tele on Microsoft Azure platform and how end user will access the cloud tele application. So to deploy the cloud tele on Microsoft Azure, first of all we need to have a Microsoft Azure tenant. If you don't have already, if you don't have already Microsoft Azure tenant, that you need to create new one. Once we have Microsoft Azure tenant is ready, then we will deploy our required resources in a nearest Azure data center. We will create the resources like Azure virtual machines, virtual network, VPN gateway and backup. So first virtual machine that will be promoted as a tele server, and you can attach the disk based on the tele database size. So tele data from your local tele server to cloud tele server will be migrated. For the data safety we can also enable the backup, but that is an optional in this scenario. If we enable the backup, if we have enabled the backup, so we will have the capability to restore the individual file or complete virtual machines from the previous date. In this scenario I will deploy a VPN gateway as well. In this scenario end user who is tele user will communicate that cloud tele application over the VPN network, because I'm going to block public access to the tele server. Then tele user will communicate with the private network to the cloud tele application. I'm doing this due to the security concern, but we have the capability as well that we can allow public access for the tele server, and then remote tele user will access via the public network as well. In this scenario a tele user will not take the remote access of tele server, so only tele application will be published to the end user PC. So in this video I will show you what will be the user experience and user interface from their PC as well. So now I'm on the tele user PC. So I have already set up here my Azure VPN and cloud tele. So as you can see there's a tele application on the PC, but I have not installed the tele application on this PC. As you can see in the program and feature here. So as you can see I have not installed the tele application on this machine. So this is the cloud tele application that I have published on this PC. So to access the cloud tele application that we need to connect with the VPN first. I'm going back to the diagram to more clarity on it. As I told you, so we will block the tele application, we will block the public access of this tele application. So remote user will access the tele via the private network. We will configure the point to site VPN on the end user PC. So in this scenario only authorized user can access the cloud tele application. I'm doing this due to the concern of the security, and please remember we have the capability as well to enable the public access as well. So I'm going back to the user PC right now. So to access the cloud tele I'm going to connect with the VPN to establish the connection between this PC to cloud tele application. So now VPN is connected now. So to just verify VPN is connected or not, so you can see there is a hang up option there. So that means VPN is connected and a secure connection has been established between this PC to cloud tele application. Now so I will be able to open my cloud tele application. Now I'm going to double click on it and then open it. So now it is connecting to the cloud tele application. So as you can see it is connected. So now it is trying to open cloud tele application. Yeah, so it is open now. This is showing because it is not a activated license. This is an education mode. So as you can see, there is a no big difference between local tele server on cloud tele application. It is too much easy with the for tele end user to access the tele application. So tele user will get an only one additional option there, and that option is tele VPN. And as you can see, there is a couple of icon on the desktop, and one of them is teleprime. So we can also deploy the teleprime as well on cloud, and it can be published on a client PC as well. So as you can see, it is similar to your local tele, as I shown you earlier that it is not installed on the your PC. If you want to know if you want more clarity on this scenario or deployment, if you want to know the deployment about it, please comment on this video, and I will if I get a better response on this video, so then I will make the deployment part as well. Yeah, thank you, thanks for watching this video.